Apparently, Google has some stuff planned for I/O. Everyone's waiting to see what they've been up to. It's been a little while since we've seen something new from Google. The CEO, Sundar Pichai, apparently gave a tease for next month's Google I/O. Here's the quote: significant product updates and announcements. That's what he says is going to happen at Google I/O. I mean, I think you have to say, you can't really have an event and not have either of those things. I think the part that captures the attention of this particular audience is the product updates portion. Because you sit there and you think, okay, what you're about to update. But that said, Google's product catalog ventures mostly away outside of hardware. Hardware is just like this little thing in the corner for now. So speculation here is it's not gonna be the Pixel 5a that everyone's waiting for, the cheap Pixel with the Pixel 5's camera.
So it's mainly software, you think?
I presume it's going to be software. I presume maybe would they do new Pixel Buds? That's another suggestion. That doesn't seem like, I don't know. Are you going to do that at I/O?
I'm hoping for Google AirTags.
I have to say though, as much as you would have expectations around events that you would see some physical product like to get excited about, I/O has, as far as software is concerned, has always had some killer moments in it where you're like, whoa, that's a cool piece of software.
Yeah.
Like when they call up the hair salon, the AI to make an appointment or whatever. There's always like these couple cool key things that take place that get you talking. So, and I would actually categorize those things as significant when you see some completely new feature you didn't think was coming. Even if it's software based, or it could be some new Google Maps feature. You're like, whoa, check that one. Mm-hmm. Or Assistant, something inside of Assistant. So we'll have to wait and see, but at least he's saying some significance happening. Mm-hmm. And it's scheduled for, what is it, May 18 to 20. So keep an eye on it.